not even a mouse from the MPP side. We demand seriousness, because running a business, the governance of a country like Ghana demands seriousness, and we demand seriousness from the majority at a time like this. We need to do the budget debates, go into estimates, and go into appropriations before Parliament rises on the 17th of this month of December. And so we want to urge you as the media. You yourselves have been here. The media, you've been here since as early as 8 a.m. and 9 a.m. You could have been doing other things. You have been here for 3 hours, 4 hours. The majority has no concern for you. The leader of government business has no care for you. And we must demand better of those who lead us. And so we are calling on you to immediately use your good office and your good mileage that you have using your media houses to call on members of the public to start calling their MPs to come into the chamber so that we can do work. Ask every Ghanaian to call his MP on the MPP side. As for the NDC MPs, they are all here, so no need to call them. But call your MPP MP to come into the chamber to come and do their work. You, the media, would not accuse the speaker of bias if he walks in, because that is one thing the speaker is minded about. Because some of you in the media have been very critical and biased in your reportage of the speaker and his action, and that is a matter for another day that we will take up. Some of you have been very unfair to Mr. Speaker, and those are the things that Mr. Speaker is being minded about. Some of the things that you have reported, you have twisted Mr. Speaker's words, you have made allusions to him that he has not said. And very unfortunate things have been said about the speaker, but that's an issue for a different day. All we are saying today is, if they are serious, this has nothing to do with the speaker. This has everything. The speaker has not been elected by Ghanaians to come and do business for them. It is the members of parliament who've been elected. What is important is let the MPs come and sit in the chamber. Several times, you have been in parliament, you know that several times the speaker is sitting in his lobby waiting for MPs to show up. It is not about the speaker. This is about the MPs showing up to do their work. And have you seen him in the chamber? Go into the chamber now and see if there's anyone. And let me be clear, there is only one demand that the minority is willing to consider: a complete withdrawal of the draconian taxes. No other compromise or negotiations are going to be considered by us.